What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Tamara. Hi, nice to meet you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by because today we're talking the best of skincare, body care, hair care, and makeup of 2019. So let's just jump right into the video, shall we? So the first product I'm gonna mention, I picked up because I thought, hey, it's 2019. I want to be a little bit more conscious about not only what I'm putting into my body, but what I'm putting on my skin. So I searched around a little bit for this cleanser, and so I came across the Derma E Brightening Cleanser. It's a skin brightening, sulfate-free cleanser that promotes skin clarity and glow. Now, despite having a bunch of other cleansers to choose from in my collection of skincare, I found myself reaching for this one the most because it honestly and truly helps with the appearance of my dark marks that I was experiencing from a lot of breakouts that I had last year. So definitely a love from last year. So the next few products I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to lump them all into one category. And this is the Ole Henriksen Let's Get Luminous Brightening Essentials set. Now this set includes a True Serum, a Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and a Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are picking up on the theme of this. I'm really into things that are going to be very brightening for my skin. And not only is this brightening for my skin, but it's also a very affordable set that you can pick up at Sephora. I picked this up several times. And honestly, every single time I've used these products, I've always getting compliments on how glowy my skin looked, or how clear my skin looked, or how I love it and still loving it. So for the next product I want to mention, this might sound a little boring, but I've literally been using the same product since I was a kid, and that is the Dove body wash. So right now I have mine in the winter scent. I mean, it's Dove. It comes in multiple scents. You can get them for multiple different skin issues, such as sensitive skin. It's affordable and you can pick it up anywhere. And it leaves your skin very hydrated, which is one of the things that I'm always looking for. I'm always looking to hydrate my skin because hydrated skin equals youthful skin. So definitely loving this product, or loved this product in 2019 and loving it now. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Have you guys ever loved something so much that you rationed it? I mean, to the point where it's not like you can't go to the store and pick up another one. That's how much you loved it. Like, it's just that good. Well, for me, that product is the Lush Rose Argan Body Conditioner. I picked this up only a few times last year because, like I said, for some strange reason, I'm always rationing it. Love this product because it's, number one, smells great. Who does not want to walk out of their house smelling like roses? And the scent lingers, which I love. And it is super hydrating. You can literally just put this on in the shower after you've bathed and step out of the shower and just pat yourself dry. If you don't have time or you don't want to, you don't even have to moisturize afterwards. I mean, I still do because I'm like a moisturizing junkie, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. That's how hydrating this product is. And for that, it's a love of 2019. So, you know, you really love a product when you can't go to bed without it. And for me, that has to be the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I mentioned this recently in a haul that I posted, and I also mentioned that my favorite scent in that sleeping mask was the vanilla that they were out of, but it is definitely my favorite, and you guys should all try it because you guys will love it too. Last but not least for this category, I honestly wasn't sure which category to put this last product in, just because it is like a multi-purpose product. You can use this for oil pulling, you can use this for cooking, you can use it for your hair, you can use it on your skin. And the product I'm talking about is virgin coconut oil. I've literally been using virgin coconut oil for years, not only on my skin, not only on my hair, but for everything. Like I said, for cooking, for oil pulling. This is honestly a great multi-purpose product. Literally, I slap this on as soon as I get out of the shower. Even if I have used that Rose Argan body conditioner, I will be extra hydrated. And I have been doing that like every night in 2019, and my skin is just super, super soft. So if you guys are looking to have super, super soft skin or want to find out what I'm talking about and like why I love this product so much, go get you some, please. 2019 was also the year that I decided that I want to take a more gentle approach to my hair care. So instead of using harsh shampoos, I opted for cleansing conditioners. And the cleansing conditioner I chose to use and fell in love with was the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Now, I was loving this in 2019 for multiple reasons. Number one, I love this product because I love that I was able to cleanse my scalp while also detangling my curls. I love the fact that my hair did not feel stripped. And I also love the fact that it's affordable. Who doesn't love an affordable product that works? Oh yeah, and did I mention it smells great? So As I Am products is definitely on my list of best hair products of 2019 because I was also loving the As I Am leave-in conditioner in combination with the As I Am So Much Moisture. These two products were amazing together, and I honestly just found myself purchasing them over and over and over and over again. Thank God they're affordable. Love. So this next product I mentioned before in another video that I'll have linked above, but it was the Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture. Now, at the time, I had just started using the product and I was absolutely in love. And I have to say, my love affair definitely continued. Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture, honestly, is probably the best deep conditioner / hair mask I have ever put into my hair. I love this product not only because it leaves my hair super manageable, it smells nice and clean. I love this product because it leaves my hair so soft and manageable, and I feel like I can do anything with my curls after using this product. Diva Curl honestly is a little bit pricey, but I do not care because I love it that much that I will spend the money on it over and over again to get those results. So my last hair mention, I have to give credit to Kimberly Sherrill because honestly, if it wasn't for this video where she mentioned this product, I would have never, ever, ever, ever gotten to wear a wash and go. Now, I have been natural for years and I have been using Eco Styler gel for years, but for some reason I could never master a wash and go. And I watched this video with Kimberly Sherrill and she mentioned the Wetline Extreme Gel. After purchasing a small jar from Amazon to try it out and actually using her technique for a wash and go, I finally did it, you guys. I finally mastered a wash and go and I stopped buying Eco Styler gel. Sorry, Eco Styler, but I'm in love with Wetline. Honestly, there isn't much for me to mention here. I'm definitely not a big makeup wearer and my face doesn't like it, even though I do. But on the occasion where I do want to wear makeup, I definitely opt for a tinted moisturizer instead of a heavy foundation. And the tinted moisturizer I was using a lot in 2019 is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Now, obviously, I like this product because it's not a heavy foundation and I don't feel like it's clogging my pores. Not only is it not clogging my pores, it's actually providing moisturizing properties to my skin, as well as evening my skin tone. Love it. Urban Decay has gone and done it again and suckered me into buying another one of their palettes. And the palette I'm referring to is the Naked Honey palette. Now, I love this palette because number one, it's flattering on my skin tone. Number two, not only am I able to create dramatic glam looks if I want, but I'm also able to use this when I am just going for an everyday makeup look. Now, despite not wearing a full face of makeup on a daily basis, I wear lip gloss like it is my religion. And the lip gloss I was loving the most in 2019 was the Fenty Lip Glow. This has to be my most purchased lip gloss ever. I mean, I literally bought like 4 or 5 last year alone, which is probably a little ridiculous, but that is just how much I love it. If Rihanna couldn't sing another song, she can definitely make a lip gloss. As a female who loves everything beauty, skincare, and just taking care, I'm sure there will be plenty more products I'm loving this year. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, like this video, and comment down below letting me know what were some of your favorite products of 2019. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye.